Hey everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the AI freestyle writing in your OnePlus 15. So actually the first thing and the most important one is that at first you have to go to the settings. Scroll all the way down and tap AI. Tap AI Writer and make sure that this option is enabled. Now, when it's enabled, go down and here, for example, let's go to our notes and create new note. Now we have to create a note. So tap on the screen so that you can see this thing. You can select all, for example, and tap AI Writer just to enable the AI Writer. Here, as you can see, tap Write Anything under any writing request. So let's, for example, let's use for example, a note for my social media profile about global warming. Generate. As I can see, let's unite to combat global warming. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a healthier planet for all. Hashtag actually climate action, hashtag sustainability, and hashtag our planet is our future. You can tap insert, and this is our note. You can do every single request like ChatGPT and insert it right here, and you'll have it right after 1 second. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.